Good morning class. As you all know beta, in the previous videos we have completed our exercise 1.3. Today we will start our exercise 1.4. Okay. In this exercise you will learn beta how can you apply the multiplication, division, subtraction and addition of integer in your daily life. Okay. So what is the first question? The marks obtained by Ankit in 6 successive rounds of a quiz are minus 10, 27, 30, minus 9, 12 and minus 6. Okay. Find the total marks scored by Ankit in the quiz contest. What is given beta? We have given that a boy named Ankit obtained marks minus 10, 27, 30, minus 9, 12 and minus 6 in the 6 successive round of a quiz. Okay. These are the marks obtained by Ankit. What we have to do? We have to find the total marks obtained by Ankit. So please tell me, how do you calculate the total marks obtained? By adding the all. Understood? So what we have to do in this question? We have to add all the marks obtained by Ankit. So the total marks is minus 10 plus 27 plus 30 plus minus 9 plus 12 and plus minus 6. Okay beta, we have to solve this addition of integer. Okay, now to solve this addition, what we have to do? Firstly we have to solve the sign. Okay, minus 10 remains same, plus 27 remain as it is, plus 30 remain as it is. Now this plus and this minus comes together and there is no number between them, so their resultant sign is minus 9. Okay, plus 12 as it is, again plus and minus come together and there is no number between them, so the resultant sign is minus and 6 is as it is. Okay, we have to solve this. To solve this, firstly we write the positive number plus 27 plus 30 plus 12 and then we write the negative number. Okay, now as you know, in these three integers the sign is same and that is plus. So if we have same sign, what we have to do? We have to add them and the sign is same as the number have. So the addition of first three is 69. Again look at the last three, all has the same sign. Again we have to add them, but the sign is negative here, so we have to put the sign negative. After addition this will become 25, and when you subtract 25 from 69, what will you get? You will get beta 44. So the total marks obtained by Ankit in the 6th round is 44, and this is the answer of your first question. Clear? Now look at the question number second. Second question is, in the Switzerland the temperature was 12 degrees Celsius below 0. What is the meaning of 12 degrees Celsius below 0 beta? It means the temperature is minus 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, below 0 means we have to take the negative sign. In the first week of April, so the temperature is minus 12 degrees Celsius in the first week of April. The next week it is dropped by 7 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of the next week is beta minus 12 degrees Celsius minus 7, and that is minus 19 degrees Celsius. Okay, because there is a drop in temperature. Drop means temperature will become more negative. Clear? In the third week beta rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means upward. Upward means positive. So temperature will become in the third week minus 19 degrees Celsius plus 4 degrees Celsius. this is equal to minus 15 degrees Celsius. So in the third week, what is the temperature beta? 15 degree Celsius. Okay, and again in the fourth week it is dropped by 3 degrees Celsius. In the last week, fourth week, what will happen beta? Again the temperature will be dropped by, drop means down, and it means we have to minus. So fourth week temperature will be minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 3 degree. This will become minus 18 degrees Celsius. So the temperature at the last of the April is minus 18 degrees Celsius. What is given in this question beta? It is given that in the starting temperature is minus 12 degrees Celsius. After that the temperature will further drop by 7 degrees Celsius. So the resultant temperature is minus 19 degrees Celsius. Again the temperature rose in the third week by 4 degrees. Risen mean increase in temperature or increase toward the right side. Right side means we have to add 4. So resultant temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius. And after that in the last week again temperature will be dropped by 3 degrees Celsius. So after drop by 3 degrees Celsius, temperature will become minus 15 degrees Celsius minus 3, and that is the 18 degrees Celsius in minus. So the temperature in the last of the April in the Switzerland is minus 18 degrees Celsius. So this is the your answer. Now look at the question number 3rd. Hers bank account is showing a credit balance of rupees 5,800 in the starting of month. He deposited rupees 3,500 in his account and withdrew rupees 4,100 from the account during the month. Does his account show a debit balance or a credit balance at the end of month? In this question beta, we have given credit balance of hers and amount that he deposited in the account, and also the amount that he has withdrew from the account. Okay, what is the meaning of withdrew? To take out the money from the bank. Okay, and we have to check whether the amount at the last of month is debit balance or credit balance. Debit balance means beta, debit means negative balance, or credit means positive balance. Okay, and how can we say whether the hers account has debit balance or credit balance? By calculating the amount of money present at the end of month in the account. Okay, so starting balance is given 5800 and deposit balance is 3500. So the total amount present is 0039. After depositing 3500, he has withdrew a amount. Withdrew means take out amount. So withdrew amount is 4100. So the amount left is 9300 minus 4100. Okay, because beta this amount 4100 is taken out. Okay, so we have to subtract this. So at the end of month, what amount hers has? 5 200 and this is positive, so we can say Harsh account has credit balance. Which balance? Credit balance. Okay, so from here what we can say? We can say that beta Harsh has credit balance at the end of month. Harsh has credit balance at the end of month. Now look at the question number 4th beta. In the 4th question, the temperature of a city is 10 degrees Celsius. If the temperature drop by 3 degrees Celsius every day, okay, for the next few days, what will be the temperature on the 10th day? Beta, in this question, starting temperature of a city is given. So the starting temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and the drop in temperature per day, is equal to 3 degrees Celsius. Drop in temperature per day means beta, if the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius today and to the next day temperature will become 10 degrees Celsius minus 3 degrees Celsius and that is 7 degrees Celsius. After that, on the second day, temperature will again decrease by 3 degrees Celsius. Okay, so again it will become equal to 7 minus 3 and that is 4 degrees Celsius. So look at here beta. Here we have calculate the temperature on the first day. Okay, and that is equal to 10 minus 1 multiplied by 3 and the second one is 10 minus 3 multiplied by 2 and that is 10 minus 6 and that is 4. Okay, by following this pattern beta, we can calculate the temperature of any day. Any day means 4th day, 3rd day. For example, if we have to calculate the temperature of 4th day, and this is equal to 10 minus 3 multiplied by 4 and that is 10 minus 12 and the temperature on the 4th day will become minus 2 degrees Celsius. What will become? Minus 2 degrees Celsius. In the same manner, we have to calculate the temperature of 10th day. Which day? 10th day. So the temperature of 10th day is equal to 10 degrees Celsius minus 10 multiplied by 3 and that is equal to 10 minus 30 and that is equal to minus 20 degrees Celsius. So the temperature of the city on the 10th day is equal to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the solution of your question number 4th. Today we will do up to here. Remaining question we will do in the next class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.